Now then guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing another progress update. So yeah, you can see the car is all masked up at the minute, and yeah, what I've been doing is I've been very busy these past couple of weeks. I think the last video, I don't know, was about a couple of weeks ago now, wasn't it, where I had the arch all epoxy primed. We've done a lot since then, because we are now all stone chipped. So yeah, there we go. This is the wheel arch, all stone chipped. Very happy with how that has come out. So yeah, a nice texture there. I've also done this quarter here, because you know that's where I welded down here somewhere. I thought, sod it, it's behind the bumper, let's just Gravitex it. So we've done that. Also, obviously, we've seam sealed, as you can see. So, you know, we've seam sealed over where the panels join each other. Also, back of the sills, that's all seam sealed and stone chipped. And yeah, the underside's all epoxy primed as well. So what I've done is, I've keyed the surface, stripped it back to bare metal in some cases, like the wheel arches, but that had an E-coat underneath, so I just keyed it, degreased it, brushed some 2K epoxy mastic on. Like dry, put another coat on, 2 coats of epoxy mastic, and obviously you have to wait for drying times and all that sort of thing. It's very annoying, because it's one of them processes where you just have to wait for things. That's why it's been taking so long, but I want to make sure it's right. I want to do it right, make sure it doesn't all start peeling off. So yeah, so what we've done is we've epoxied, then we've seam sealed, then we've put epoxy primer over the seam sealer, and that'll be a nice good seal then, and then obviously the stone chip on top. Tomorrow, after this is all gone off and gone hard, we're going to put our base coat down and our clear coat on top of that, and it should look really nice. So here is the other side. Yet again, same procedure, stone chip, what have you. If we just get ourselves under the car for a minute, that's the backside of this sill. So I haven't actually stone chipped underneath, I've just used the epoxy for this, simply because I think it'd be a waste personally, because the fuel tanks go in there, and yeah, obviously we're going to base coat, clear coat, that's enough protection, alongside a good solid coating of Dynax UC on top, which is a wax, so that'll be plenty. So yeah, really the stone chipping just needs to be done in the wheel arches. So yeah, I mean, you know, I'm really happy with that. It's come out really well. Look at that, it's fantastic. Yeah, all the cross member here. This section is still to be done. And for those who are wondering, what am I going to do with this? I mean, obviously it's really awkward to get in here. This is inside the cross member, obviously, and there is surface rust. I'm going to treat that as best I can and just flood it with Dynax S50, because yeah, I mean, that's all I can do really for that. I mean, there's not much else I can really do. There are limitations on where you can get to, obviously, and to be quite honest with you, I don't fancy cutting out a cross member. There's no point. Yeah, still needs to be done still. We're going to do the seal separately, that will be done later on down the line, when I do the respray on the outside of the car. So yeah, we're just focusing on underneath and the wheel arches for now. And yeah, I mean, there we go really. I mean, what else can I say? I'm just really happy with how it's come out. I mean, you know, now that we've done this, we just need to get it painted, lacquered, and then it's putting stuff back together. It's putting the suspension back on. So yeah, cheers guys for watching this video. I know it was a quick one, it wasn't really that much of an interesting video, but yeah, there we go. So yeah, cheers guys for watching. We'll see you in another video.